He's North Carolina's top law enforcement officer, and he soon could have an outsized influence over the future of abortion.
WRAL's Brian Anderson recently spoke at length with Josh Stein, the state attorney general, who is mulling a run for governor.
My friend Nicholas was in the house across the street, and basically we just ran together and got into trouble every day after school.
Here in Chapel Hill is the house where Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein grew up. It was an upbringing free of the hustle and bustle the town has become today. It's also where Stein first formed his political views.
Well, my parents were very proud Jews, and they infused us with Judaism and what the fundamental values of Judaism are. And foundational to that is this sense that each of us has an obligation to try to make things better than the way we find it.
It's Stein's definition of a better world that has put him in the crosshairs of Republicans. In 2020, Stein secured an extended deadline for mail-in ballots to be collected, a power lawmakers have since limited.
Republican leaders decided, let's make a political issue about this in order to try to influence the outcome of the election. And so it was a made-up controversy. It's not real.
Stein has also come under fire for refusing to defend a state law that bans abortion in most cases after 20 weeks of pregnancy. Lieutenant Governor Mark Robinson is planning to square off against Stein in the 2024 general election for governor. Robinson's known for his hardline views on social issues. He wants an outright ban on abortion. But Robinson says that, unlike Stein, he can separate his personal views from how he'd govern.
I believe that he has been derelict in his duty. Based on his political beliefs. He has not stood up for many of the things he should have stood up for in this state. He has not stood up for the people of North Carolina. I believe he has stood up for a political agenda. And that is not what we need in this day and age.
Stein sees things differently.
I am a person of conviction. My convictions are just different from Lieutenant Governor Robinson's. I don't believe that gay people are filth. I don't believe that women are second-class citizens and that men should be the ones who lead. I don't believe that abortion in every single instance is murder.
While Stein is committed to getting Democrats elected this November, he also has his eyes on 2024.
If the voters keep giving me the honor to serve them, I want to find the place where I can make what I think is the most good for the most people.
Brian Anderson, WRAL News, Chapel Hill.
And if you'd like to learn more about Stein, how he got where he is today, and the political fights coming his way, visit nccapital.com.